all of us have created an account.
Partners together with the government came up with the Ajira program to address the question of unemployment through the digital and gig economy, through freelancing, through gig work. We are currently supporting the trainees by having centers that are fully equipped. Within the institution, we have what we call the digital labs that have the necessary infrastructure in terms of the space, the computers, and the internet connectivity, and a trainer. Outside school, we have community hubs, we have CHS and IETs, what we call the Ajira Development Centers. They have a center manager, a trainer, computers, laptops, and the connectivity.
There are also scammers who've gone online. So I think one thing that has been done within the programs, which especially which we are running as Eldo Hub, is we've incorporated that online safety, and also Ajira Digital have already incorporated the online safety.
The program has enabled me to gain experience and also to depend on myself in other stuff like maybe buying of personal items and also helping my siblings with maybe purchase some items like education, also paying for their school fees in an extent.
Yeah. Many benefits whereby I can be able to even buy things for myself. I can also pay rent. I can chip in apart from the money that I'm being sent to by my parents. I can also sustain myself just in case if I need something which is urgent.